Hi everyone, this is Karthik. Welcome to Techno TV Fan by Telugu. Friends, today in this video we will see how to download a CentOS Linux operating system in our Windows. Before going to the video, a small request: if you are new to the channel, please to subscribe and click on bell icon to get more updates. Now we will see how to download CentOS Linux operating system in our Windows. First we need to download VMware Workstation Player. For this, open any browser. This VMware Workstation 17 Player is a free software. Search for VMware Workstation 7 VMware Workstation 17 player and hit enter and click on the first link and scroll up. You can see try Workstation 17 player for Windows and click on download now. The file is downloading here. I'm cancelling because I have already downloaded, and open another tab and here search for CentOS 7 download. This is we are going to download a CentOS version 7 and hit enter and click on the second link CentOS 7 ISO file. If you click here, now click on any link to download the CentOS operating system file. Okay, I'm going to the first link and here click on this file CentOS 7 x86 64-bit minimal 2009.iso file. The file is downloading. I am just cancelling because I have already downloaded both files. VMware Workstation and CentOS files are I downloaded already. And open now. Open the downloaded files and double click on the VMware player. First, we need to install VMware Workstation player. On that, we need to install CentOS operating system. Double click on it and click on S. It will take some time. And click on here. This is the wizard. This is the setup wizard. And click on next. And click on this checkbox. I accept the terms in the license agreement. And click on next. Next. And click on next. Again next. Again next. And click on install. Now the installation is being started. It will take some time to install the VMware Workstation player. Now the installation is finished and click on finish. Here you can see here the software VMware Workstation 17 player. Double click on it. Open the VMware Workstation and here create a new virtual machine. Click on create a new virtual machine and here installer disk image. This is the file we already downloaded. This is the CentOS operating system file. It will automatically pick up from the disk, okay, from the drivers. if you will not get this, you can just go click on browse and you can choose choose your file where you have downloaded and click on this, click on the file and click on open. It will open, okay, and click on next and again click on next. Here you can give a disk size. I am giving 30 GB. You can give based on your SSD file. Based on your operating system. Sorry, because based on your hard disk. Okay, I am giving 30 GB and click next and click on customize hardware. Automatically by default it will take 1 GB of memory. Okay, 1 GB of memory. You can give more than 1 GB. Okay, I am giving 1.6 GB, 1.6 GB memory based on your RAM, based on your laptop RAM. Okay, and then click on close. Now click on finish. The download is beginning. Sorry, we need to wait for 1 minute. Here we need not to press any key. It will automatically download. Install. It is checking for drivers and all. Here this is the sorry, this is the installation wizard for CentOS 7. Okay, choose India in English India and click on next, continue. And here you need to choose a date and time. It will automatically pick up the time. And here installation destination, just click on that and click on done. Here network and host name, click on it, and here you can edit your host name. I'm giving techno tv dot 515 labs. I'm giving and click on apply. This is the current host name, techno tv dot 515 labs. Here ethernet, on this ethernet you will get a static IP for your CentOS operating system. This is my CentOS operating system IP address, and click on done. Now click on begin installation. Here you need to set a root password and you need to create a user. Click on sorry, click on root password, and you can give here the password and click on done, and click on user creation. You can create a user here. I'm giving the username techno tv, and create here password and give again password and click on done. Now the installation is beginning. The installation is started. Now the installation is completed and click on reboot. Now the operating system is rebooting. Just log in with the user which you created before installing. Here the password is invisible. We can't see the password. Log into the root. So hyphen enter. Here give the password. Now, and this is the process of installing Linux or CentOS operating system in our Windows. If you like the video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.